Before you throw something away, look at it again. It might not have decided what it is yet. A chess piece is not wood, it's not cardboard, it's a decision. Today we're going to make a pawn. What you need is in your kitchen, on your table, in the things you were about to throw away this week. Now the body. You'll need a box. Open it along the seams without tearing it. Look at the box. Choose where to work. Place the template and trace it. Fold and reinforce the folds with the scissors. Now it's ready to assemble.
Dust on my hands, sweat on my face, dreams carved deep in metal's grace. Steam and rhythm, sparks in time, lonely work but it feels fine.
Hold it together with tape. Kids learn better when they make, not when they just watch. Cut a piece of paper towel, fold it, and shape it into a small paper ball, as round as possible.
They steal my calm, noise and laughter, my lucky charm. Hey, this workshop's got a beat, stomping boots and tapping feet. Once it whispered soft and small, now it jumps and owns it all.
The pawn has a base. It's what keeps it upright. This gives it a bit of weight, so it doesn't fly away if you play outside. The pawn doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to stand. Now cover it with small triangular pieces of masking tape. This is where it takes its final shape. It requires patience. Straighten it if any part bends out of place. Use thin strips of masking tape to fix it to the pawn's body. Make sure it's centered. The pawn's head, even if it seems simple, is the most important part. It's the first thing you see when you look at the board. I designed this so you wouldn't need other materials. But if you have small wooden or plastic beads, they'll all come out almost identical.
Tablero 13 was a dream, turned into life again. I thought I'd make just pieces, but we made more, my friend. We built a spark unbreakable, a bond that feels so right. An unstoppable creation, glowing through the night, through copper light.
Now cover it with small triangular pieces of masking tape. This is where it takes its final shape. It requires patience. Straighten it if any part bends out of place.
Dust on my hands, sweat on my face, dreams carved out in the metal's grace. Steam and rhythm, some sparks in time. Lonely work, but it feels just fine. Beasts are dancing wild and free, drumming claws in harmony. They shake the floor, they steal the calm. Noise and laughter, my favorite charm. Hey, this workshop's gotta be stomping boots and tapping feet. Used to hum a tune so shy, now the walls just swing and cry.
There it is. That's the shape. Let it dry. Sand it if necessary. Paint it however you like. I suggest this mix, white with a touch of raw sienna. A slightly streaked finish highlights the work. The shape may change, but the height remains. It's the same used in tournament play. The pawn is the most numerous piece on the board, 8 per side, the one that moves the most, the one that's lost the most, and the only one that can become anything else if it reaches the other side. A teacher who once showed me this said, "The pawn knows it can become a queen. That's why it moves forward." Next time, we'll make the rook. Until then, if you're reading this, Vlad, then it means you've already begun to see what others cannot. You are not alone. You never were. There are 4 of you, and each one holds apart the others do not understand. This is not a game. This is an invisible war.